Aloha. Oh, come on, you guys.
Aloha!
You'll get plenty of practice while you're here on the island. We'd like for the first ones to welcome you to the island of Maui, where the time is about 12:41 and 12 seconds-ish. Please note there was a 2-hour time change. We just made you 2 hours younger. You're welcome. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all of your carried items securely stowed until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Once the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off, feel free to gather your belongings. Be sure to check that seat pocket in front of you and the area around you for any items you may have hidden from yourself during the flight. Please exercise caution as you open the overhead bins as items do tend to shift during takeoff, flight, and landing. We'll be exiting through the forward left-hand door. Carefully step into the jetway, walk into the terminal. If you're making any connecting flights to the littler islands, there'll be TV monitors in the terminal area with up-to-date gate information, as well as a customer service agent greeting our flight. If Maui is your final destination, you can claim your baggage at the baggage claim area. We know your time is precious, and that's why we're the only airline to offer a baggage service guarantee. Once we're parked at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, start your stopwatches. 20 minutes from our arrival at the gate, if your bags are not on the carousel, please see a customer service agent. We do want to remind you that the Maui airport is a non-smoking facility, so please restrain yourself from lighting up until you find yourself in the smoking designated area. On behalf of all the employees at Alaska Airlines, most especially the 4 of us serving you here in the cabin today and the 2 fine gentlemen who brought us here this afternoon, it has been our pleasure serving you. The next time your travel plans call for air travel, please visit us online at alaskaair.com. Welcome to Maui.